Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. What state is this in? This mother duck and her babies almost got ran over. Glad to see that blue cab drivers are keeping their passengers safe in New Bedford. Apparently they had to change lanes when I was in their blind spot, not before. Looks like someone is in a hurry. This car burned and exploded like fireworks. This is probably the worst EV commercial. Another absolute idiot almost causing an accident. This driver's life flashed in front of his eyes. He wants to go first. Is this even worth it? The most impatient driver of this video. I'm still shaking. Don't run red lights. Sharing is caring, except this driver didn't seem to care that much.
Yep.
20 minutes later.
Your road that way.
This dude blew a stop sign without never even slowing down. This person in front of me drove off the road. I wonder how that crash happened. Cut off at a roundabout. School bus completely destroyed my left side mirror and ran away. This car lost their brakes and crashed into a hospital. What do you think happened to the driver here?
Wow.
Scary crash. How did it happen? POV. You're driving in Brazil and need to change lanes. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.